Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. As you can see, I've got 3 awesome Urals lined up in front of our Boxborough location. These are all brand new 2022 models. And today we're going to focus on this Garnet red Ural gear up. We're going to check out some general features and some of the factory installed options. So starting off, just look at that color. It's really something else. I think it's really cool with the shade and tone of it. Now, starting with some of the factory installed options, we have this awesome sidecar front bumper and then the Ural driving LED pods on the front. And then notice how clean this looks. Notice there's no wiring harness exposed. That's because we at AlphaCars really go above and beyond, and what we do is we drill the bottom of this front bumper and feed the harness into the front bumper, and then it comes out at the end of the tubing and then goes into the sidecar. So from the factory, these come with the wiring harness run on the exterior of that front bumper. So like I said, we prefer to run them on the interior of it and really just go that extra step to make it have a more clean appearance and protect the wiring harness over time. Now taking a look at the brakes. Awesome 4-piston Brembo caliper with a floating rotor in the front. In the back we have a dual piston Brembo caliper, once again with a floating rotor. And then on the sidecar we have a Brembo caliper and then floating rotor as well. Really some high performance brakes on this Ural. Now taking a look once again under the sidecar, we have the undercoating on this machine. So you can see it kind of has that texture to it, and it really adds to the durability and protection to the metal. You can see it's even up under the front fender, and it's done inside the passenger area in the sidecar and the trunk area as well, which we'll get to see that very shortly. We can see we have a spare wheel here with the cargo rack attached on top, and then this helpful jerry can. Another great standard option, smart option in my opinion, is this high mount exhaust. So it's a true 2-into-1 system. And now just check out the clearance we have if you were to do some exploring off-road. You don't have to worry about denting or getting hung up on any mufflers being too low. We can see the final drive unit. So this is powered by the 750cc horizontally opposed engine, 5-speed gearbox, dual plate dry clutch, and then it is shaft driven to this final drive, and then this, when selected, then powers our sidecar wheel to give you all the two-wheel drive action you can handle. Taking a look at the controls next to the sidecar, we have our lever for the two-wheel drive right here, and our foot controls for the rear brake and reverse gear. And as standard, they have a steering stabilizer, which is adjustable. So that makes the riding experience, much more stable and much safer. Now I'm going to show you around the sidecar a little more in depth. Let me take off this tonneau cover, which comes as standard, and we can take a look inside. For now, I have the tonneau cover just thrown over the bike, just for the purpose of showing you inside the sidecar now. So check out this very comfortable seat. The sidecar is a very comfortable and fun place to be. We can see it's even has some contouring to it. We have the undercoating on the inside of the sidecar. As I mentioned earlier, we have the fuse panel here. There is a switch ready for your choice of accessory if you decide to add another one. And we have a European style outlet in here as well, just above. So that's all very exciting. And I'm gonna open this lockable trunk so we can see just how practical the Ural is. Let's take a look inside. We can see plenty of space for any supplies or shopping or whatever you may choose to store in here. We have touch-up paint, we have the factory owner's manual and the plastic there, and we have our toolkit. And I do like the rubber mats that they include. It just gives it, more of a premium, comfortable feel, and I think it just really adds to the fit and finish as well. So now I'm gonna close the trunk, put the tonneau cover back on. If you're interested in learning about different ways you can have the tonneau cover attached and different ways to store it, we do have a great video showing this, so I will link that in this video and in the description. So definitely give that a watch if that interests you. And now checking out the cockpit area. As I said, we're gonna start it in just a second. We have this really cool little storage area on the tank. We have our nice parking brake, very high quality. So now I'm gonna turn the key on. We hear that electric fuel pump prime, that EFI system. It is only about 40 degrees out here in New England on this crisp day. So I'm just gonna put it into run, and all you gotta do is hit the starter. Starts right up. Very smooth cold start. With that EFI system, all year round you can enjoy fast, easy starting on your Ural. So it's very impressive. Also on our online store, we sell many different accessories for these Urals. You can really outfit them in any way you please, depending on what you want to use it for. So definitely check that out. I'll link that in this video and in the description. So now that we've heard how smooth the engine runs, check out this black powertrain. It is powder coated from the factory, and it really gives it an awesome appearance, and it's going to protect it as well from oxidizing and generally just kind of wearing over time, with having a metal that's not treated. So this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. I hope this video was informative. I hope it was enjoyable to watch. Please leave a like and consider subscribing to not miss any more exciting content.